Welcome back, beauties. D.Beasley here. Hello to my new subscribers. I see y'all. Welcome to the D.Beasley family. Welcome back to all my loyal subscribers. I see y'all as well. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Don't forget to hit your notification bell so you can know exactly when I upload new videos. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, girl. I see you. I see y'all showing out there. Today, I'm going to be doing a first impressions on a few of the Wet n Wild products that I placed an order for. I picked up the Photo Focus foundation as well as the concealer. And I also picked up a couple of contour sticks. A powder. Like, I just placed an order, and this is the thing, I had to place the order because they don't have my shades in the store, which is very unfortunate. When I'll get it together. This video will only showcase the face itself. If you want to see my thoughts on these new Wet n Wild products, then stay tuned. Okay, beauties, to get started, I'm gonna go ahead and just jump into the products that I picked up. The new Photo Focus foundation by Wet n Wild. I picked up two shades. I picked up Mocha and Espresso, and they look a little bit similar on camera, but I think Mocha is the lighter one. I think that's the one that's going to work for me, which is here. But this has been a highly talked about foundation. I haven't been able to pick it up in the store because they don't carry my shades in the store. So I had to order it online. Wet n Wild, I need y'all to get more shades in the store. I did pick up two of their contour sticks, which I believe her name is Sarah De La Rosa, I believe her name is. She is so amazing at makeup, but she always uses this contour stick. So I was like, I wonder if they have my shade. I wonder, can I use it? And I saw that they had, like, these are the two deepest shades. This one is called Where's Walnut. This is the deepest shade they have. And then they have Call Me Maple, which is number 805. So I picked up two of those so I can see which one I like. I did pick up two of the Wet n Wild new brushes that they have from their Pro Brush line. This is the Tapered Highlighting Brush, and this is the Fluffy Blending Brush. Also picked up a pressed setting powder. This is the shade Golden Tan, but I'm not really sure about this powder, but we're going to try it out just to see. But it may be a little bit too light for me. I also picked up two of their Photo Focus concealers. I picked up two in the shade Medium Deep Tan, number 844B. Heard really good things about the concealer as well as the foundation. And the last thing I picked up is this highlighting powder in the shade Golden Flower Crown. And it is beautiful, y'all. I can't wait to put this on. I'm going to go in with the shade Mocha first, and we're just going to start from there.
I'm just going to read the description of the foundation from the website for Wet n Wild. It says, your skin only better. Our new high-performing skin perfecting foundation underwent major road testing with 7 different photo lighting conditions to deliver flawless camera-ready makeup every time. It says it's specially made with a matte light diffusing complex to give your skin a no-filter perfection. It's high-performing breakthrough formula featuring a light adjusting complex to help prevent the white cast, which we all love. And it says it was tested under 7 light conditions with and without the use of flash.
That's all it says. Okay, well, cool. So here's what the applicator looks like. It's like a paddle. First though, let's prime. Let's use the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. I'm just going to place it all over my face. I guess you're supposed to just apply it like that. That's cool. That's like so orange. I'm going to blend it out with my Morphe E6 brush. Ooh, it's so orange. It looks oranger than the L'Oreal that I normally use. It blends in really good. The coverage is bomb. Can y'all see that? It's really orange. But the coverage is bomb. So hopefully it oxidizes down and the orangeness goes away. Because I'm not feeling that. It's really orange. I like it's oxidizing. Just a little bit. Let's use my Morphe sponge, and we're just going to blend that in. And it is a damp beauty sponge. It's drying down to a matte finish, which it did not describe that on the website, but I do like the way it feels. The coverage is amazing. We're going to go ahead and try the concealer. This is the shade Medium Deep Tan.
The Photo Focus Concealer is described as a high coverage concealer that allows only your best features to be noticed or to get noticed.
Okay, it has a doe foot applicator, which is always a plus. It's creamy. I don't know if there's a lot of product in here or what. It looks like it's full coverage, but we'll see that when we blend it out. Oh yeah. Love a good full coverage concealer, honey. It blends so good. Look at that, y'all. Oh yeah, I like that. Loving, loving, loving. The coverage is amazing. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in the other areas that I conceal or that I highlight. That coverage is amazing. Oh my god, y'all look at that. It looks awesome. And that foundation is looking better because it was stupid orange when it went on my face. And to set that concealer before I actually do my contour, I'm going to use my RCMA No Color Powder. I'm just going to place it in all of the areas that I put that concealer. And to contour, I'm going to use the Contour Makeup Stick by Wet n Wild in the shade Where's Walnut. I hope it's deep enough for me. Let us pray. It ain't deep. That is the color of my skin. And that's their deepest shade, y'all. Like, you can see it, but you can't see it. You can't even see it on my forehead. Okay. It just blends right into my skin. Like, it's not warming nothing up. You can't even... What am I blending? Can you see it? Child. I'll tell you what, we're gonna leave that alone. That didn't work. Y'all know this ain't gonna do nothing right. I can't use it. I'm gonna take my MAC Deep Dark powder and I'm going to place that all over my face because I can't do anything with that powder. I love the foundation. I love the concealer. All of it has like a really photo focus, like really, I don't want to say airbrush look, but sort of kind of airbrush. So I'm gonna go ahead and warm my face up with my Bobbi Brown powder because I couldn't contour and I don't have a deep enough Wet n Wild powder. So we just gonna warm the face up because it's looking a little bit too flat. So I like it. I like the coverage of it. Those are like something like my final thoughts on it. I do not like the fact that this is the deepest shade on the contour stick and I can't use it. So I can't use that. But I do like the concealer. The pressed powder, again, this is not the deepest shade. So I probably can send this back and exchange it for another shade. Can I exchange it? I probably can use this to set my... Oh, and it's so light. Oh my god. Can you see that? Like, it flew up as I touched it and I barely touched it. So this is the pressed powder by Wet n Wild. So if anything, I can use it as a under eye setting powder because, baby, that ain't my color, honey. I need something a little bit deeper than that. See, you can't even really tell, but you can tell. But it's so light and fluffy. I do like the foundation. I just wish everything else worked. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then I can come back and apply the highlighter. I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and did the rest of my face. This eye look will be coming soon in a different video, so stay tuned for that. But I want to go ahead and use this highlighter. This is the Golden Flower Crown Highlighter by Wet n Wild. I'm going to apply it with my Morphe Y14 brush. So let's see how this looks. Ooh. Wow. Blinding. And you can barely, like, it's not, you know how some highlighters, like, you can see it when you pick it up. You can barely tell like where I'm touching the product. Okay, my final thoughts from this haul. I know I already gave my thoughts on, I love the foundation. The finish is looking bomb. I probably could have said it with the photo, the pressed powder. But I want to get another shade because that's not the shade. Love this highlighter. It's amazing. This foundation is everything that everybody's been saying it is. Like, to be honest with you, I just hate that I couldn't try it before now because I had to order it online, which it is what it is. But yeah, so I really love the foundation. The contour sticks were bust because they're the deepest shades and I can't wear them. I also love the concealer as well. Like, the coverage is amazing also. It's very smooth and flawless. It hasn't creased up on me or anything as of right now. That highlight though, I forgot to try this highlighting brush, so we'll try that out in another video. So that completes this video. I hope you all enjoyed my first impressions of the Wet n Wild products. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, beauties.